Most people fail at budgeting because it feels boring, complicated, and stressful. But what if you had an assistant that never gets tired, never judges you, and keeps your money in check 24/7? That's exactly what artificial intelligence can do for your budget. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we talk all about money, building wealth, and using the latest tools like AI to make life easier. So hit that subscribe button if you want to take control of your finances and future. Now, budgeting has always been the foundation of financial success. You can't invest, save, or build wealth if you don't know where your money is going. The problem? Traditional budgeting takes time, effort, and a lot of discipline. That's why most people quit. But AI changes that. It automates the boring parts, tracks your spending in real time, and even gives you suggestions, like having a financial coach in your pocket. The first way AI helps is by making budgeting simple. No spreadsheets, no calculators, no confusion. You can literally open up a free tool like ChatGPT, type in your income and expenses, and ask it to create a monthly budget. Within seconds, it gives you a step-by-step breakdown of how much to save, spend, and invest. Instead of you spending hours figuring out numbers, AI handles the math instantly. That means no excuses. You know exactly what to do with your money. Next, AI is amazing for tracking expenses. Let's be real, most people overspend without realizing it. $5 here, $20 there, random subscriptions you forgot about, it adds up. AI budgeting apps like Clio, YNAB, and even built-in features from your bank use artificial intelligence to automatically categorize your purchases. So instead of you asking, where did my paycheck go? AI shows you. You spent $200 eating out last month, $120 on subscriptions, and $600 on clothes. As seeing the truth is the first step to changing your habits, and AI makes that effortless. The third way AI helps is by finding ways to save money. Some apps can literally scan your bills and negotiate better deals for you. Imagine AI lowering your internet bill or canceling that gym membership you don't use. AI can also set up automatic savings goals. For example, let's say you want to save $1,200 in the next year for an emergency fund. AI breaks that down into $100 a month and then nudges you each week to stay on track. It's like having a coach reminding you, hey, don't spend that, put it into savings. Here's where it gets powerful. AI can predict your future spending based on your past behavior. If it notices that every December you overspend on gifts, it will warn you ahead of time. Based on your history, you'll probably spend $500 this holiday season. Budget accordingly. This kind of foresight is something old school budgets could never do. It helps you prepare instead of panic. And let's talk about debt. If you have credit cards, loans, or student debt, AI can create the best payoff strategy for you. You can literally ask ChatGPT, I owe $5,000 on a credit card with 22% interest and $10,000 on a student loan with 6% interest. What's the smartest way to pay it off? AI will calculate whether the avalanche method or snowball method works better for your situation. This takes the guesswork out of becoming debt-free. Now, why does all this matter? Because managing money is 80% behavior and 20% math. The math is easy, the behavior is hard. AI solves that problem by keeping you accountable, automating the boring stuff, and giving you feedback in real time. With AI, you don't have to think about your budget every day. It runs quietly in the background and tells you when it's time to make adjustments. So if you've been struggling to budget your money, stop trying to do it all manually. Start using AI to take control of your finances. Whether it's ChatGPT building you a simple budget, apps tracking your spending, or AI tools helping you pay off debt, this technology can change your financial life if you actually use it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below telling me which AI tool you're most excited to try for budgeting. Thanks for watching. And remember, AI isn't here to replace you. It's here to empower you. Use it wisely, and your money will work for you, not against you.